Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You will start by gathering prerequisites and powering the device. Connect Ethernet to the LAN port and plug in the power adapter. Wait until the LED is stable. Next, find the device IP via DHCP server or use the serial console for direct access. This is faster if DHCP is unknown. Once done, open a browser to the IP and log in with the default admin credentials. Make sure to change that password immediately to protect the device and your network. Now you configure network settings and services. From the web UI, navigate to network TCP/IP, set a static IP or reserve via DHCP so the address stays consistent. Configure gateway, DNS, and subnet mask. This ensures reliable routing. Then enable services you need. SSH, Telnet, or device server mode. Disable unused services for security. Apply changes and schedule a system time sync using NTP. Accurate time is critical for logs and certificates. Finish by testing connectivity and access. Reboot the Lantronix device, then confirm you can reach its IP and that enabled services respond. Test authentication with the new admin password and verify remote device management functions. If you run into issues, check the console for boot messages and confirm IP settings. This single step resolves most connectivity problems. If SSH fails, try ping and then a direct serial session. Make sure to document the final IP, credentials policy, and firmware version before closing the task.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.